Hey guys, doing Julie here. One more video today. Today I'd like to do an unboxing of a gift I got from my wife because it's so cold here. This week we had like a -4, maybe it's the coldest I've ever felt in Osaka. And so it was so cold, and my wife, she has a skin condition that doesn't allow her to have the heater on. So I say I like in prison because I can't turn on the heater or the air conditioner. And so she gave me this electric blanket. So I'm ready telling you what I got. So I'm gonna open this. So this is what my kids wrote in Portuguese. So you can see that I really taught them how to write in Portuguese as well. So a gift from mom to you. Of course, if you understand, you don't need to know this. But yeah, but if you're not Brazilian and you're here, yeah, just saying what's written here. So without further ado, let's open this because I'm looking forward. And it's almost bedtime, so I want to open this. I can't sleep, and so today temperature is probably minus today as well, so -1, the yeah, lowest temperature. Hope this won't fall when I'm opening this. I didn't bring anything to open this. Hope it's not so tight. Okay, let me open this. Just got it today. So as I always say, so stuff here gets pretty fast because the logistics here works really nice. Transportation as well also. So yeah, pretty much. Usually we get things in the next day. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we just set the manual, which you don't want to see. Okay, so this is the blankets. Let's see, does it? Wonder if you have Portuguese here. No Portuguese. Yeah, we have Japanese here, English, Spanish, French, Italian, and my favorite language now, German. Um Ersticken zu vermeiden, halten Sie die Tasche von Babys und Kindern fern. Nicht in Krippen, Laufstallen oder Kutschen verwenden. Diese Tasche ist keine Spielzeug. So this is no toy. Okay, all right. So let's open this. Okay, we got it. Okay, so pretty straightforward, easy to open. And this one, I didn't show you, but it has about my height is 188. Because the one I have right now is not so long, and so I'm kind of suffering at night because it's so cold. Yeah, so this is electric blanket, so it's seems very comfortable and fluffy. And where is the the C adapter here? So yeah, you can see here the cable, and probably this is for the temperature. Wow, I think I have temperature here. Maybe I should turn this on so you can see what happens here. Yeah, let me turn it on just because I saw my kid using this today. I got curious, so yeah, let's see what happens here. So this is the cable to turn it on. Just use it here. Okay, so yeah, what happened here? So probably on the timer, and this is the temperature. No, I have to look at the manual later, but so I guess this is the timer. 2 hours, 4 hours, I guess. This is very good because it doesn't have to be on all the time. No timer here. What's the temperature here? 4, 5. Yeah, I have to look at this later. Yeah, but yeah, it's working. So yeah, I won't feel cold at night tonight. So I'm very happy about this. So this is my new toy here. So an electric blanket, because Japan, yeah. So I never felt this cold, because when I got here in '98, I didn't feel this cold, and we didn't have such cold temperatures. Actually, I don't remember having negative temperature like recently. Especially last week was cold, -4, so it was tough. So I needed this. So that's it. Just wanted to show you that I got this electric blanket. It's a long one, so I'll be able to cover with it and sleep warm. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like. Please consider subscribing to this channel. You can support me on Patreon, where I share about languages and share all the books I use. But it's about time to update my list. You can also blast me on PayPal. Other than that, I have I have a Japanese course for beginners in Portuguese. And I'm also on Twitter, but I post mostly on TikTok about martial arts. I've been posting my guitar like a journey. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.